Physiology is derived from the word physiologicus. It means the discourses on natural phenomena. Now, what is the natural phenomena? The natural phenomena is we feel thirsty, we feel sleepy, we have the hunger, pain. These are called the natural phenomena, and this natural phenomena is called the physiological phenomena. If there is an existence of the body, the organs and systems are there, cells, tissues, organs and systems are there. If they will perform their function in coordination, then the normalcy of the human body is maintained. Otherwise not. So actually, the knowledge of the function of the different cells, different tissues and organs and the systems of the human being is the human physiology. Now in your course, besides the human physiology, another subject is there you have to study, that is the biophysics and the biochemistry. These are quite separate from the human physiology. But these two separate subjects help us to understand and to describe the physiological, how the physiological phenomena is to be described by these two texts. One is the biophysics and another the biochemistry. In the biophysics, we apply the principles of this certain physics subject. You have studied the physics at the 12th level, and you have also have the knowledge of the chemistry at the 12th level. In the physics, you have studied the surface tension, you have studied the osmosis, the filtration, the acid-base balance in the chemistry, the buffer reaction, the glycolysis, the chemistry of the protein, carbohydrate and fat. So these are all the subjects, either the physics or the chemistry, if we apply to understand the physiological phenomena of human body. One is grouped as biophysics, another is grouped as biochemistry. So my dear student, the whole course included human physiology, biophysics and the biochemistry. In the human physiology, what we have to learn, you have got the prospectus. I think so. You have got the prospectus. In the prospectus, the syllabus is given. Otherwise, you can download. You can download the syllabus from Central Council of Homeopathy Regulation site and can get it. But it is better to follow the college prospectus. Those students who have not received the college prospectus, they can download it. First of all, you have to go through the syllabus. Now I am showing you and sharing certain slides on the on that. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Physiology. NPC. Just a minute, wait. Anyway, I'm not getting it. I will share it afterwards within the group. We have a review on the whole syllabus. It means that what you have to study, number one, what extent you have to study, number two, and how to study. These are the three questions every student should keep in mind. What to study? If you ask anything on physiological phenomena, what is thirst? So this is the definition of physiology. The physiological definition of all the physiological phenomena, you have to group it during the course of the time and the syllabus taught by the different teachers. You should first ask what? What is sleep? What is blood? What is cell? What is tissue? And what is blood volume? This way. The what? This is the definition and also include the principle. What is the principle? It is the law by which any physiological phenomena is being established. So there are certain scientific laws there. On that law, the principle is prepared, and on that principle, different definition is also given. So first you have to know what. Next question you will ask by yourself, why? Why it is occurring? Why do we feel thirst? Why we do feel sleepy? Why we pass the stool in the morning? Why do we pass the urine frequently during the whole day? So this is the why. Now this answer you will get by the mechanism. This is the mechanism of the any physiological phenomena. After that, you have to know what are the functions of that. That means if it is a system is composed by different organs, and different organs composed by different cells, tissues, and the cells. Every cell, every tissue performing their own function. It may so happen a cell have got their own characteristics, that is the general cell idea. But if you go through the different system and different regions of the body, we will get certain peculiarity of that cell, which is lacking in others. This is also you have to remember it. You can note it down. All the cells are common features, but in certain system, if you go through, certain peculiarities is there. Why this peculiarity? Because of the function. Every cell's function is not same in our human body. The respiratory system functioning their own way, the aesthetic system functioning their own way, and other system functioning their own way. But anything happen? पदम सिंह ठाकुर, आप माइक ऑफ करें। हो गया, चलो चलो। So you have to understand that. So I am repeating again what, that is the definition and principle. Now how, that is the mechanism, and then who means control. Any physiological phenomenon is controlled by a higher authority. That higher authority is the nervous system. So in conclusion, I am telling what, how, and who, and the last one is that the function. The function you have to study at the cell level, at the tissue level, at the organ level, and the system level. Suppose for this example, I am telling you the blood. You know the blood. Blood is composed of different cells. You have studied in the 12th standard. Every cell has got their own function. RBC has got their own function. WBC has, and the platelet also. But if we consider the blood as a whole, the function of all the cells and other parts of the body, that will control the functions of the blood. Now, if you follow the word that what you have to study, the syllabus and the details of the syllabus, I will give the review and share it to you, and we will start the teaching and learning process. Unless and until you can understand what is the teaching and learning process, it is very difficult to proceed in the medical science. You are the student, you will learn. We are the teacher here to teach you. It is difficult to understand what I am teaching and what you are learning, whether you can understand me or I can understand all. Very difficult. So we have to assess. Assess yourself. First of all, you go through the syllabus. Next, follow the lecture of the teachers. Before the lectures, you in the class, whenever you are coming, don't you make a note what I am telling. But before that, you must study first. Then you come. Then it will be very easy for us. If you follow this way, we can make a good platform so that your understandability and my assessment also to be in very easily way. Now what to learn? You have to learn the whole syllabus, but there is a boundary wall, and that boundary wall is given by the review. I will send the review. In the review, what you have to study is given, and the questions will come from that part only, not in details. Number one. Number two, never follow the applied physiology. Any questions from the applied physiology will not come, because you have to study the normal physiology. What is in the normal physiology? Physiology you have to study, not the applied one. We will study the theory and also practical, side by side. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are here on the online classes, only the theoretical part, not the practical part now. It will be continued afterward. Theory, we prepare the student in such a way they can understand the subject very easily. In the previous lecture, I have given some project work to the student so that they will be concentrated on that particular part and they can present. Listen to me. It is very difficult, the level of the 12th and the medical level. In the 12th level, you have studied less, but in the medical level, you have studied more. And you have to remember the whole syllabus till you have passed, and also in future, whenever you will be the doctor. Not any part you will forget. If you forget it, you cannot apply the medicine to the patient. So it is my earnest saying to all the students, be careful from the very beginning in the first year. Because if you don't know the physiology, if you don't know the normal happening in the human body, you cannot understand what is the abnormal. How? I am giving some examples. Suppose there is a normal value of the blood 5 to 6 liters. It is a normal value of the blood. Now, what happens? Either the value is increased or the value is decreased. If it is decreased, that is the abnormal. If it is increased, that is also abnormal. So if you do not know what is the normal, you cannot differentiate what is the abnormal, that is the decreased or increased. And in the disease condition, the value becomes either increased or decreased. So you have to know what is the normal phenomena, what is the normal changes. Normal phenomena is inside our body, very difficult to understand. We cannot see in our body whether the heart is working or the lungs is working and kidney is performing their own function or blood cells are performing the function. We have some parameters, the examination of the blood, examination of the urine, which will help us whether our kidney is functioning normally or the liver is functioning or any other organ is functioning. So unless and until we know in details all the physiological phenomena, it is very difficult to note it down. So my dear students, I am telling you very frankly, from the very beginning, make a process, adapt a process. Whenever you will learn anything, you first know, then come and what is given by the teacher. It means that suppose I tell today that I will teach you cell, human cell. So you must go through the human cell. But the question again comes, sir, what is the source of the book which you will use? In my opinion, you will follow the main two books. One is the C.C. Chatterjee, Volume 1 and 2, Chondi Charan Chatterjee's Textbook of Human Physiology, Volume 1 and 2. I am showing you the book. Then Dr. S.K. Choudhury, Textbook of Physiology. Then C.C. Chatterjee, Volume 1 and 2. The Dr. S.K. S.K. Choudhury, Guyton, Textbook of Medical Physiology. This is the Human Physiology, Volume 1. This is the Volume 2. You can note it down. It is the current edition is the 9th edition. It is very good book. Next is the C.C. Chatterjee, Volume 2. Volume 2. And Choudhury, volume, there is only one volume, the Guyton, Ganong, Samson Wright. Never follow the other books. So many books are available, but for your level, this type of the books are very useful. And if you follow my lecture, I never give the note, but I prepare some presentation. I prepared presentation. I will present that presentation due to the online, due to the pandemic. Must share my presentation PowerPoint, so it will be very easy to understand the topic. In practical, we are not in position to start the practical, but during the course of the time, we will start the practical. First, you give the importance on the theoretical class. So, whenever any subject, any topic is being taught to you, you first learn from the book, then come to the meeting, then I will tell what is there, note it down, and prepare your own note. So, what happened? That is the most compulsory for you people, only for you student. Why? Because this is your own note. First you understand, then you understand from me, then you understand yourself. So you have to assess yourself. What is the easiest way of assessing? The easiest way of assessing is to ask yourself what you have learned. Or you can make a group and ask the other student whether your understanding and their understanding is the same or not. So this is called the group discussion. Usually group discussion is done at the college level. If those students are interested, I may do it after finishing my course. Another way assessment is that you can ask yourself by certain question. If you ask yourself the question, you cannot get the answer. I am here, you can ask me. So it is the way for teachers and students, so that if the student cannot understand, students should ask the teacher and teacher will answer it. In your syllabus in the university, they have fixed the words for answering any question. So be very carefully from the very beginning, make a practice to prepare your note accordingly. First I will told you what the definition. In your question paper, there are 10 questions equal to 1 is equal to 2, that is a 20 marks. You have to answer into shortly, that is about 30 words, 30 to 50 words. So how do you write? It may be a definition of anything. It may be the different normal values of the different constituents of the human body. Usually it is the definition. Most of the cases we ask the definition. So better to follow that definitions and the normal values. Next lecture, I will start the cell. The review I will give you. Within that period, I am not telling that you have to purchase the books now. Those students, if they can purchase, they can do it, but not, it is compulsory that everybody should follow, should purchase. First, follow my lectures. What are the things you can learn it? You must note it down, or rather, I am recording what I am telling. Whenever after the class, you will listen it. You can prepare your own note from my lecture.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, and
सर क्या हम बुक लाइब्रेरी से ले सकते हैं अभी?
But you are not allowed to attend the college, no?
नो सर, आफ्टर
So you
30
cannot
मतलब
come,
30
you cannot get entry in the college.
सर
If you are
आफ्टर
here in the Bhopal,
हाँ सर, आई
I
एम इन
cannot
भोपाल.
say when the, but you cannot get the entry in the college now because of the pandemic, COVID-19 outbreak, isn't it?
ओके सर.
And whenever it will be cleared up and it will be declared the college is open, then you can
यस
come.
सर. ओके सर.
Any question from up till now what I told you? I am not going through the details syllabus now because this is the first lecture. You must understand what I am telling. Any question from any students? Ayushi Patel? Ayushi Patel? Patel? Ayush Patel. Now give me your attendance. How many students are here now? I am asking the Abhishek Mangal is here.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek Mangal?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Abhishek Mangal, I would like to see you.
Yes, sir.
You start your videos.
What, sir?
Akash More,
Yes, sir.
video you must on video. Where are you now? You are at your home. I am asking the Abhishek Mangal.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you at home?
No,
Okay.
sir, going to
Akash More. Akash More.
Yes, sir.
Achal Joshi.
Yes sir.
The Alkesh Harwal. इसको नीचे कैसे करूं? ये तो अभी ऑफ कर दे. स्टॉप. नहीं हुआ. स्टॉप. पॉज. पॉज.